smash it forward to the offensive end, and Pat Maroon. Maroon is on it, right circle. Right corner for Bellemare. Pierre-Edouard Bellemare. Look to center it. Zach Aston Reese a steal, but a loose. Perry interception, right circle. Corey Perry wheels behind the net. Trying to slip to the slot. Shoot, save made. Rebound. Score! Bellemare! The school bus line comes through. Bellemare's made it 1-0 Lightning with 18:41 left in the first.
Well, Killorn went to the bench to get a change. Perry comes out. When Perry came out, he just got the puck. It came right to him. He goes around behind the net. He puts it out in front, the first shot, and Perry gets it, shoots it again, and then Bellemare knocks the rebound in.
To the Toronto end right circle. Killorn in a traffic jam.
Lose it there,
lost the handle to Ryan O'Reilly, and Marner flips it out. Gloving it down, that was Perbix. A quick up, Cirelli across the blue line, left circle to Hagel. Shoot, save Samsonov, fumble the rebound. Comes to Hagel, left circle shot. Save Samsonov, score! Cirelli! Another rebound goal for the Lightning. 2-0 Tampa Bay. Cirelli puts it in.
That all started because of a good shot. A good shot. They kept shooting at the net. A nice shot. Rebound came out. Another shot by Hagel. A rebound again. And Cirelli standing right by the hash marks. Because where did the puck come? How many times have I said that, folks, over the years? Years, I should say. The puck comes to the hash marks a lot, and Cirelli puts in a rebound.
Stamkos, 22 in the power play. Stamkos under pressure, slips for point, left circle. Center point, Sergachev, right circle, Kucherov. Centers Killorn, a tip shot, saves Samsonov. There's Kucherov, right circle. Little backhand pass to center ice. Grabbed by O'Reilly, across the line, Bunting, high slot shot, blocked by Perbix. Bunting gets it again, a left circle shot is stopped by Vasilevsky, and he holds on. 7:02 left in the first. More shoves after the whistle. Another TV timeout here. We are due one anyway. Are we taking it?
The same guy, Bunting, all the time.
It's a 50-50 again, and it's grabbed by McCabe. Left circle shot. Save Vasilevsky. Didn't see the rebound. Tavares grabs in front for McCabe. A shot. Save Vasilevsky. Brody a shot in the slot. Blocked. And the puck is tapped out by Kucherov. Dishes for Kucherov across the line to Killorn, right circle. Killorn makes his way right circle. His check knocks down a lead player. Puck for Kucherov in front point. A backhand shot blocked. Rebound Killorn, right circle. Center point Sergachev. 5 in the period. Right circle Kucherov. Shoot! Score!
Yeah.
Kucherov with 2.6 seconds left in the first. A power play goal for Kucherov. It's 3-0 Lightning.
Boy, did he fire that right from the face-off dot. Just to the left of the goaltender, and he just drilled it by Samsonov on the short side. 2.6 seconds left in this period. Beautiful shot by Kuch.
Across the blue line, right point. Marner's check. Killorn on an outlet for Cirelli. 2-on-1. Here's Hagel down the left wing. Across the blue line, left circle. Holds. In front for Cirelli. Got blocked. Went wide right. Cirelli in the rebound, right circle. High slot Sergachev. Justin Hall will turn to Matthews at center ice. He'll deflect this in from beyond the red line. Icing is coming up on Toronto. 12:41 left in the second. It is 3-0 Lightning.
Chernak getting a penalty. See, this is bad. That's not smart, Eric. I'm sorry. Bunting was coming in. He thought Bunting was going to hit him, and Chernak hit him.
Right circle, Ryan O'Reilly. Center point, Morgan Riley. Left circle, Matthews. Center point, Riley. Right point, Marner. Marner holds. Right corner, Ryan O'Reilly in front. Shot score. Ryan O'Reilly bangs it in off a tic-tac-toe pass from Tavares. And the Leafs are on the board. They make it 3-1.
See how important that penalty was? Well, I got to tell you, Chernak shouldn't have done what he did, but that was a lousy call by McCauley. A lousy call.
Maroon is checked. Gets help from Perry. Corey Perry, right corner Maroon, back at the right point Perbix. Center point Bellemare. Feeds it in front, Perry! Save made Samsonov! What an opportunity for Perry. That was Samsonov's best save of the night. 10:43 left in the second, 3-1 Lightning.
What a great save that was by Samsonov. I don't know whether he read this play or not, but he did. Perry had the wide open corner. A great pass by Bellemare. Perry gets it, and Samsonov makes the save and then makes another save with his glove.
Across the blue line, right circle, O'Reilly is checked. Cirelli is after it. Can he get it out? Gets help from Chernak, a feed for Cirelli. Couldn't clear. Held in O'Reilly. A pass. Finds Matthews' stick. Left circle shot. Save made. Vasilevsky holds on. Those pucks right at the blue line. If you don't get them out, you're asking for trouble.
But let me tell you, that Chernak, he tried to make a pass there instead of shooting it down the ice. What, are you crazy?
Nylander maneuvers it. Left circle, Tavares. Left point, Marner. 34 in the power play. Left corner, Nylander. William Nylander holds. Nylander looking things over. Center point to Matthews. Left circle, Nylander. Doesn't shoot. He'll wheel high slot. Nylander still looking things over. Score! They gave him room to tee it up. And he scores another power play goal for the Leafs, who are within one. It's 3-2 Lightning with 6:48 left in the second.
What did I say at the beginning of the game? The only thing that Lightning have to worry about is the power play of the Leafs and the penalty killing. And that's 2 power play goals for the Leafs. Gotta stay out of the
back
box.
in the game. Spins for Eyssimont. He's checked. Kerfoot looks to make a steal. Paul stays with it for Eyssimont. He's bumped to the ice by McCabe, but he got it in deep behind the Toronto net.
He's woozy. McCabe is being talked to, I don't know by who. I guess it was Maroon. I mean, he hit Anisimov right at the blue line, and Lightning right in front of him. But he got him with the shoulder pad, but he got him in the jaw. He did. There's no doubt about it. Bam.
64 Toronto, minor penalty.
Yeah.
Flashing.
That was not the penalty call.
No, sir.
Right circle, Kucherov. A shot blocked. Rebound, Kucherov, center point. Left circle, Stamkos. Fires. Save made Samsonov. Rebound track by Point, left circle. Point feeds Cirelli. In the left corner, right corner, Kucherov in front for Point. Hold, shoot, score!
Yes,
Brayden
sir.
Point!
Yes,
big,
sir.
Big goal for 2 Lightning!
Beautiful.
With 5:30 left in the second.
That's a big goal for the Lightning on a power play. So each team's got 2 power play goals tonight. That's big. Point comes across in front of the net. Kucherov spots him, gets it to him, and just below the hash marks in front of the net. And Point goes wide and puts it in past Samsonov.
And Cirelli to the right of Vasilevsky. Won by Matthews. Giordano left point. Shoots! Tipped just wide right. That didn't miss by much. Chernak knocked to the ice.
With an elbow
Bunting.
by Bunting. And he's going to get another penalty. Bunting might do it.
Tommy Mulligan out to check on
Boy,
Chernak.
Another guy down. He got this up high with an elbow, I think, or a shoulder. In the
Officials
face.
are talking it over. They may take a look at this to see the severity of the hit.
Oh, yeah, he just nailed him with an elbow.
After reviewing the play, the call on the ice is confirmed. We have a match penalty for a legal check to the head.
You know, a match penalty could carry a suspension, too. Lost Colton to the neutral zone. They'll fluid it in. A hard around, O'Reilly. Bumps for Brody by the net, loses Colton. Hurries for Perry, right circle. Corey Perry in the right corner. The side of the net, Colton. It's in! Score! Either Colton or Perry. It might be Perry! The Lightning jabbed away and it slipped past Samsonov. It's 5-2 Lightning and they'll stay in the major.
Looks like Corey Perry got it. But they're checking here. The referees are both talking about it.
They indicated a goal on the ice, though.
Yes, they did.
They pointed.
After reviewing the play, the puck completely crossed the line. The call on the ice is confirmed. We have a goal.
Now, Vasilevsky feeds Stamkos to center. 10 to go in the period. Across the line, Perry. Corey Perry. It's about to be a 5-on-4. Right circle, Kucherov. Winding down the time here in front for Point. Backhand shot. Score!
Big with
Brayden
0.1 second.
With less than a second left, it's 6-2 Lightning. Now, the 5-on-3 it ended. That's a 5-on-4 power play goal, but the Lightning have another man advantage goal.
And now they're going to check the clock again.
That was good. They let a little time expire. I think they're going to actually add some time.
So Point gets the goal. It's a 5-on-4, right?
5-on-4.
Yeah.
So right now the Lightning are 4 for 7 on the power play, and they still have 40 seconds left on the major. So they've scored 2 goals during the major. Aston Reese turns it out, Noel Acciari. Acciari to center ice. It is stripped by Ross Colton on the back check. Colton gets it back, left wing to Cole. Up the middle, Perbix. Nick Perbix up the middle. There's a breakaway. Colton in alone. Score! Ross Colton! 7-2!
Beautiful pass. Boy, Perbix made that pass. That was a beautiful pass. As Colton skating right by the red line, cut across to the blue line, right in the middle of the ice. Beautiful pass. Picks it up, comes down, and beats Wall.
A pass is going to be stolen by Marner. He'll tap out to center. Sergachev knocks it down. His pass picked off Matthews. Counters across the line to Marner. Right circle Matthews. Right circle Marner. Centers it. Score. Yarncroke. Kind of a scrambly sequence, but Yarncroke tapped in. Chance off the rush, and the Leafs make it 7-3. Paul the other way to center ice, bangs this in and chases. Paul after a right circle. Good move, Nick Paul. Paul is checked by McCabe, but got it down low for Corey Perry, right corner. By the Maroon in front. Paul open. Deke shoots. Blocked.
What? Did he get saved?
It looked like he had an open net. Either Wall blocked it with a stick, or it was the Leafs player Aston Reese. Nick Paul continues to be snake bitten, but good to see him get that opportunity.
Great play. That was a great save by the goalie. What a play. What a play by Paul. And that was a great save by Wall.
And really the end of the second when Chernak went out. Draw one for Giordano, left point shot blocked by Maroon. That'll do it. The Lightning take game 1 7-3. We are going to be joined by Darren Radish, one of those 4 defensemen the Lightning were down to in the third period. He saw some power play time and certainly had to play a lot, but had a very good game. Don't you agree?
I agree. I thought he played unbelievable. He was very, very calm, smart. And overall, there wasn't one defenseman after the 4 of them that I could say didn't play well. And that's a great sign.
Darren Radish is ready. He joins us downstairs. Darren, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
So how were the nerves tonight going into the game as far as your first NHL playoff game? Because if you had any, they were not obvious at all from up here.
Yeah, no, I don't think I had too many there. I just tried to treat it like another game and kind of went from there. And, we got the result we wanted, so let's just build off this.
I got to ask you, you go down to 4 defensemen. When was the last time that you remember playing with just 4 defensemen?
I'm not too sure. I know. Yeah, probably. I know Tampa did it last year.
Yeah.
In LA, but other than that, I don't think I've seen it in a while.
You've had a little bit of time both in practice and in games on that second power play unit, but it hasn't happened often. Is there an adjustment for you? Because you played a lot of power play in the minors, I'm sure. Is there a big adjustment for you playing in the power play, but at the NHL level as opposed to the AHL level?
I think so. It's kind of just getting used to the same guy, to the new guys, and just kind of making sure you're in the right spots and making the good reads. And I think there's maybe a little bit of adjustment period, but we'll work on that and we'll see how it goes.
Darren, congratulations. Thanks for joining us.
Darren.
Thank you very much.
All right, that was Darren Radish from the locker room. The Lightning win game 1 7-3. They scored early. They scored 2 goals in literally the dying seconds of the first and the second periods, and then they locked it down pretty well in the third to secure the victory in game 1. Now the concern, of course, is the status of the 3 guys who had to leave this game: Hedman, Chernak, and AC Mod. Phil and I back to wrap things up next. 7-3 Lightning, your final on Lightning Radio.